So I know everyone is really struggling right now with ideas for what to make to eat. Everyone is getting a little bit tired of the same old things and kids are getting bored. So I thought it would be a perfect time to refresh this very popular recipe from the archives for vegetable rotis. They're colorful, they're fun, they're delicious, and actually they're not nearly as hard as you might think they are. It just takes a little bit of patience and you can pull together this nutritionally power-packed and fun meal for the kids and family relatively easily. So we're going to start by making the atta. To do this, you're going to add the vegetable puree a little at a time. So I used a total of 3/4 cups here, and I added it in 3 parts. Bring the atta together until it becomes a ball shape and then knead it for about 3 to 4 minutes so it softens up. Now you want to put a little bit of oil on it and cover it with a wet paper towel until you're ready to use it. If you end up refrigerating this atta, make sure you take it out of the fridge at least half an hour before you plan to use it. So in the same manner, I made 3 flavored attas: carrot, beet, and spinach. Once they're all ready to go, you want to portion them out into sections. I did 16 portions per section of flavored atta. Once you've made this recipe a couple of times, you might find that you want to make your pere or your portions larger or smaller, but for me, 16 is the perfect amount. Once you have all of your portions separated, take one of each color and roll it out into a long oval shape. Now you want to stack the 3 ovals together and turn them into a flat circle. You want this circle to be nice and tight and loop under the edges so it stays in a round shape. And now you'll want to bale the roti as you would with any traditional roti. You may find that this dough is just a bit stickier, so go slowly and use a little extra atta for dusting as needed, but try to dust off the roti before you put it on the tawa. Now, one thing to remember with these vegetable rotis is the flour or the atta is quite dense, so they may not all puff up. I find that some do and some don't. So I know that this recipe looks like it takes a few steps and it takes a bit of time, but it's totally worth it. And I promise you, once you've made these a couple of times, they'll come off easy and you'll love making them. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do make sure you subscribe because we have lots more great content coming your way.